Yay! It is birthday time! Look at all the colorful balloons and the big yummy cake! Wow! Presents everywhere! Let's open them carefully and see what surprises are inside! Look at this cake with sparkling candles! Let's blow the candles and make a wish! Time to dance around the cake! Jump, clap, and have fun with your friends!
Everyone is smiling and clapping. The party is so colorful and fun.
Jump up and cheer! Look at all the balloons and confetti falling around us! Look at our happy faces! Everyone is smiling and having so much fun!
Dance and spin around. The balloons and confetti make everything so colorful.
Look at the whole room! So many balloons, confetti, and our cute animals are here too!
Our little animal friends are joining the party! Isn't it so cute and fun?
Jump high and cheer! Everyone is having the best birthday ever! Blow the balloons and watch them float! Party time is so much fun!
Blow the candles and make a wish. Happy birthday to you, friends!
Group hug time! Everyone is happy and celebrating together with smiles!
Yay! Our birthday party is full of happiness, fun, and joy!
Let's...
Look at the balloons! Let's toss them high and see them float all around the room!
Here you go, Puppy and Kitty! Enjoy your little birthday treats, friends! Catch the confetti! Let's throw it high and make the party even more colorful!
Dance together, jump and spin. Birthday fun is the best with friends and animals.